Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import contacts and accounts in Freshsales. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to your account. Next, click on Contacts on the left side. Then click on Import Contacts. Choose whichever way you want to import your contacts. For this example, I'm going to use CSV or Excel. Click Next at the bottom, then select Contacts and Accounts, and click Next again. Now, upload your file. I'm going to upload this one. Once you're here, make sure all of the fields are mapped correctly, then click Next again. Here, you need to select how you want to import your contacts and assign a sales owner for unassigned contacts. After that, click Import Now and just wait for the import process to complete. And that's it. So that's basically how you can import contacts and accounts in Freshsales. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.